In September 2021, we went on a month-long journey through the Pacific Northwest. We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
On our final hike of our Pacific Northwest adventure, we stopped and explored the Boy Scout Tree Trail and drove down Hollow Hill Road through the Redwoods. We are back in Redwood National Forest. We're at the Jeddidah Smith State Park right now. The state park and the National Forest merged together, but it's great to be back amongst the giant trees after we saw a bunch of big trees in Oregon and Washington, but
they don't compare to these.
Nope. Boy Scout Tree Trail, 5.3 miles. Here we go.
Do it.
Rich, you look so small next to these trees. The Boy Scout Tree Trail was a relatively flat out and back hike that included Fern Falls.
Wow, wow. I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. All the things I would do just to get close.
Don't hit your head, Robin. You need a helmet?
I feel like with all that's happening at the Sequoias and the Santa Cruz Redwoods, we need to enjoy these redwoods while we can. We never know what's going to happen to them. The northern redwoods, northern California coast, these beauties, hopefully they stay safe.
Yep.
Just stay with me and make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide.
Yep. Just so many.
While, while. Make it worth your while. While, while. And make it worth your while. While, while. Make it worth your while.
Don't forget the fern.
No, come on now.
I love me a good fern, you know that.
Yep.
Insert Robin's fern photo here. Brought a bandana. Fern.
And just imagine what they're like in the spring, huh?
Almost there, Rich?
Yeah.
Over 2 miles in.
Let's see what she says. 2.2.
Okay, we're getting close. It's supposed to be 2.8. Half a mile? Yep. Look at that root.
Kirby.
Don't trip on that root.
It's a big boa constrictor.
Been a while. Little freshness over here.
This sounds kind of hollow.
Yeah, hold on, don't fall through.
You know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and make it worth your while.
Are we there yet, Rich?
Doing pretty good. Let's see, 2.44, so maybe, maybe just a little over a quarter mile.
Well, we must be close. If All Trail says we passed it, GPS says we're almost there. Watch says we still have half a mile. Watch has been pretty slow compared to everything else today, so we'll see which one is closest. Oh, the watch might be right on this. Still going. Watch says 2.4. Where is Fern Falls?
Was it Fern Falls?
Fern Falls.
I don't know.
On the Boy Scout tree trail. A lot of ferns. Waterfall? I hear water. Little spring. As we reached Fern Falls, we were told by other hikers that we had passed the Boy Scout tree. On our way back to the van, we looked for the arrows on the trail leading to a side loop to the iconic tree. The Boy Scout tree. On the Boy Scout tree trail. So that Boy Scout tree is like two twin trees thrown into one. I thought it said it was 23 feet diameter. To re-look at that. Here on this side you can see where the two trees are.
So they're Boy Scouts.
Yeah, Boy Scouts, not just a Boy Scout. Maybe the Boy Scouts found it on a hike. When we arrived back to the van, we continued down Hollow Hills Road to enjoy the Redwood Line Road as we headed for home.